So this video is a little bit of an update as well as some shameless promotion. So as always, you guys have been blowing up my DMs with more fashion tips, and in case you missed that, you're gonna wanna follow me on Instagram and check out some of my reels. My Crocs are my muse. As always, if you wanna hire me as your personal stylist, the link is in the bio. It's been blowing up, but today I wanted to go into a little bit of a different direction. So in 2014, I launched my company, Frank Harvey. And at the time we did primarily photography and video production. Then I thought I kind of sucked at business, and I thought, you know what? I probably should just go get a job at an ad agency. I helped build a marketing machine at Connected. Then I thought the grass was greener and I moved to another agency. Then 2020 happened. The agency I was working for went from about 53 projects on the books down to 0. And I almost got laid off every other Monday for the next 6 months. So I jumped ship because I hated that my fate was just a line item on a spreadsheet. If you remember, there was no work to be had in this industry. Everything came to a halt and marketing was the first thing to go. So I was kind of freaking out about what to do. And so I actually reluctantly went back to work for a church so I could get my feet back on the ground. The funny thing is, when you work for a church, they want you to drink the Kool-Aid, but my whole entire life I've been Kool-Aid intolerant. And when I drink Kool-Aid, it gives me diarrhea.
No.
Oh no. Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh yeah!
So since 2020, I've been slowly but patiently rebuilding. So what's next? Here comes the shameless promotion. My company, Frank Harvey, is back. I'm sitting in our new studio space, and it reminds me of all the endless opportunities that there are to build a company that is sustainable and enjoyable and just does good work. There are two thoughts that keep coming up, and two sort of ideas that have become pillars of what I want this company to be. The first one is from the artist Tom Sachs. He says that good work simply leads to more work. And the second comes from Kevin Kelly, who founded Wired magazine, and he has this mantra that is, be the only.
Don't aim to be the best. Be the only. And that's a very high bar because it requires a tremendous amount of self-knowledge and awareness to get to that point, to really understand what it is that you do better than anybody else in the world. And for most of us, it takes all our lives to figure that out. And we also, by the way, need family, friends, colleagues, customers, clients, everyone around us to help us understand what it is that we do better than anyone else. Because we can't really get there by yourself. You can't do thinkism. You can't think your way there. You have to try and live it out. And that's why most people's remarkable lives are full of detours and dead ends and right turns, because it's a very high bar. But if you can get there, you don't need a resume. There's no competition, and it's easy for you because you're doing it. You're not looking over your shoulder. You're just right there. So don't aim to be the best. Be the only.
As I've been quietly rebuilding, here are things that I think we can help people with and companies with. Content strategies, branding strategy, sustainable and enjoyable social media strategies, video, and photography. So if you need any of those things, hit me up and we'll see if it's a good fit. And then go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, as well as LinkedIn, quite frankly. We're gonna be giving updates of the build out of this studio. We've been transforming it from a gross, soulless place where people's careers went to die at a call center into something that I think is gonna be fun and creative and a bit of a clubhouse. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.